Hi guys, this is the Thrifting Diva and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you a little bit of how I organize all my thrifted jewelry and a little review on the Songmics over-the-door armoire that I ordered to actually organize this jewelry. So please stick around, let me know what you think. Subscribe below if you want to see more videos like this pop into your feed. And I'm also going to leave a link to all the items that I use for organizing so that maybe you can get into the 2018 organizing of all your amazing accessories. So I got this over-the-door armoire from Amazon.com and just wanted to show that the length of it. And so you can see on this side it's all earrings. There's a bar here for you to hold some bracelets, and then there's some more hooks for your necklaces. And then there at the bottom, starting at the bottom, there's two small little pull out drawers, but they're very tiny, not very big, but you could throw some things in there. And then there is some shelves, some more hooks to hold your earrings, and then a compartment at the top to put rings. I'm using it mostly for my earrings that have you know, they're not hooks, but you have to, I'm losing my words, basically back like that, and then you put it in. So my review of this is I really like how big it is. I like how much it does hold, but I have some complaints about it as well. For example, if you were to put large bracelets here, I'll get one from back here. Let's say I wanted to put this here. It will not, obviously, the door won't close. So one, you cannot put anything that's gonna affect the door closing on that side. So that, you know, that kind of sucks. But, you know, that's why I have this section back here. The other thing is it's very hard to put anything that's not hooked, like one of these guys. These are easy to use. It's easy to use like that, but if to put one of those guys in there like that into the hole here, then you have to put the, you know, you have to put the stopper in the back, and it's very tricky. Sorry, let's try it again. It's very hard to put one of these where you have to put it into the hole right there, and it's very hard to do that in the back there. So that, you know, I mean, I'm guessing that's why I can use these easily for that, but it doesn't work unless it's one of these, you know, earrings that doesn't need stoppers and things like that. Also with your large jewelry, you know, this is my workaround to see if I could keep it down, but my statement necklaces and stuff like that just didn't fit in here because it's very thin. As you can see, it's like 1 finger inch wide on this side, so it doesn't really hold things that are bulky. But if you have a lot, you know, if you don't have a lot of jewelry like me, I think this works. If you have thin jewelry and, you know, you're not into the big bulky jewelry, it works as well. And there's a lot of space for things, so I could throw things in here. I have all my watches down here. So there is space to do, you know, do a lot. But those are my complaints, that this really doesn't help a lot with holding things. So that's why I have these small dangly neck bracelets on that side, and I'm already having some trouble closing it, so I'm not sure which piece is, you see how it opens back up like that, so I have to figure out what piece is stopping it. So here I have some of the jewelry that didn't fit in the armoire on the top of this thrifted chest where I keep all my sweaters. And so I have this piece here. I got the holders from Michael's, and I just got them using my 40% off coupons that Michael's always have. These are separate. Someone asked me, you know, is it a pain to get some of the things off when you need to get this guy back here? Yes, it's a pain, but it's only about 6 on each side, so it's not the end of the world. And the tall one in the back, you can unclasp the necklaces, so that makes it a little easier. And then this, I'll show you this piece here. This is just a little cube organizer that I picked up from Home Goods, and it was $7.99. And so for the big bracelets that just are too chunky, I'm holding them in there right now, and it really works in keeping things organized. It's my little girl. This was taken a long time ago. This little piece is, you know, just obviously my initial for Yana, and I got that TJ Maxx for $3.99. Body form back there is really supposed to hold earrings, but I have enough spaces for my earrings, so I'm holding some more chains and necklaces. But that was actually black, and I thrifted that from Goodwill for $1, and I spray painted it gold so it could go with my decor. The piece in the back is just a frame that I got from Marshall's, sorry, and it was $12.99. Then I have this here, some more earrings in here. These are ones that I don't wear that often, and I thrifted this jewelry holder organizer for 50 cents, and so I just have it. It's back and front, so it's just a good piece to have extras on there. Your jewelry is just not organized, then you're not going to wear everything. And for me, what's the sense of shopping and buying cute things if I can't find it when I need it or know that it's there? It also helps me to not buy things that I already own, because I'm able to open up very easily and see the stuff that I have in my possession, so I'm not rebuying things that I already have.